Welcome to Crypto Queen. Are you ready to take your cryptocurrency investment journey to the next level? Today I'm going to show you how to fully maximize the MEXC platform, one of the leading global cryptocurrency exchanges. More importantly, by using our MEXC Referral Code, you can unlock valuable rewards in just a few simple steps. Get ready to discover these exceptional benefits and optimize your profits. If you haven't registered yet, click the link below to open your account today and receive exclusive offers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any opportunity in this exciting world of cryptocurrency. What is MEXC and why should you choose it? MEXC is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a variety of features such as spot trading, futures trading. MEXC stands out with its user-friendly interface, competitive trading fees, and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from well-known ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging tokens full of potential. But what truly sets MEXC apart is its attractive referral program. By using Crypto Queen's MEXC Referral Code, you can instantly unlock rewards that you won't get through regular signups. These rewards include trading fee discounts, cashback, and even free cryptocurrency. Just register via the link below and use the referral code to start your trading journey with maximum benefits. How to register and use the MEXC referral code. Now, I'll guide you through how to easily use the referral code to get your rewards. Go to the MEXC website or download the MEXC app on your phone. Click on the Sign Up button and create a new account. When you reach the referral code section, just enter our exclusive referral code from Crypto Queen. You can find this code in the description below the video. With just a few simple steps, you've unlocked rewards that aren't available with a standard sign-up. This helps you save on trading fees and earn additional bonuses right from your very first trades. Exclusive rewards when using the MEXC referral code. By using Crypto Queen's MEXC referral code, you will gain access to exclusive benefits such as trading fee discounts. This helps you optimize your profits with each trade. Cashback on trades. You'll receive a portion of your trading fees back after each transaction. Free cryptocurrency. Not only do you get discounts, but you also have the chance to receive free crypto to boost your investment portfolio. In addition, MEXC frequently updates its promotions and events for users, offering many chances to earn even more. Stay tuned to Crypto Queen to make sure you don't miss any exciting opportunities. Simple guide for beginners. If you're new to trading, don't worry. MEXC is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Here's a simple guide to help you start trading right away. Spot trading. Choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, enter the amount, and select either a market order or a limit order. Confirm your trade, and within seconds, you've completed your first transaction. Futures trading. With this feature, you can use leverage to maximize your profits. No need to worry. MEXC provides a wealth of detailed guides to help you understand the risks and rewards involved. Why choose MEXC? MEXC is the perfect choice for all investors. Thanks to its standout features, support for hundreds of cryptocurrencies, you can trade over 1,400 different coins and tokens on MEXC. Low trading fees. This helps you save on costs and keep more of your profits. Top-tier security. Your assets are protected by multiple layers of security, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for the majority of funds. Conclusion and call to action. If you want to make the most of what MEXC has to offer, don't wait. Use Crypto Queen's exclusive referral code today. Click the link in the description to register and claim your rewards. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the Crypto Queen channel so you never miss out on the latest tips and strategies for investing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your trading on MEXC.